Did you know microwaving an egg is a bad idea? Well, I found out the hard way. This happened when I was a kid. I wanted a quick boiled egg and the microwave was right there. What could go wrong?
Don't do it, you moron.
Do it. Like any other stupid person, I listened to my heart. And just when I thought I missed a big, I saw my mom near me.
How dare you?
I was banned from entering the kitchen until I turned 14. Turns out eggs explode because steam builds up inside. Who knew?
I told you, stupid.